Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Hello Word. I'm your host, Alex, and today we are diving into the wonderful world of words with a B2 level noun, the word basket. A basket is a container for carrying items. In everyday language, you might use a basket to carry groceries, laundry, or even a picnic lunch. Let's explore some synonyms. We have container, for example. The container was filled with apples, and receptacle, as in a large receptacle was needed for the party's trash. Now, for some antonyms, while not perfect opposites, consider something like spill, where things are scattered. For example, the fruit spill everywhere when the basket overturned, and empty, as in the empty box is the opposite of the basket full of toys. You can use the word basket in everyday life, like in the phrase, put all your toys in the basket, or I need a basket to carry my books. In sentences, we can say, she carried a picnic basket to the park, or the laundry basket was overflowing, or he threw the ball into the basket. We can also say things like, don't put all your eggs in one basket, which is a common idiom. So, today we learned that a basket is a container for carrying things, and it can mean so much more than just a container. Thank you for joining me today on Hello Word. If you enjoyed this episode, please subscribe to the podcast and leave a review. Your support really helps others find the show. Also, create your own sentence using the word basket and share it in the comments below.